Epinastine, detailed explanation. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Epinastine is the generic, non-proprietary name of the medication. It is an ophthalmic antihistamine used to prevent and treat allergic eye symptoms, particularly itching caused by seasonal allergic conjunctivitis. Generic medications contain the same active ingredient as brand name products and are equally effective. Drug class, second generation H1 antihistamine, anti-allergic agent, ophthalmic antihistamine, mast cell stabilizer, secondary action. Unlike first-generation antihistamines, Epinastine causes very little drowsiness because it has minimal penetration into the brain. Brand names, Elistat Elysian, available in some countries. Drug forms, ophthalmic solution eye drop 0.05% sterile, preservative-containing ophthalmic preparation, prescription medication in many countries. 2. Definition. Epinastine is a selective second-generation antihistamine specially designed for use in the eyes. It is primarily prescribed to prevent and relieve ocular itching caused by allergic conjunctivitis. During an allergic reaction, the body releases histamine, which causes itching, redness, swelling, and tearing of the eyes. Epinastine blocks the effects of histamine before it can produce these symptoms. In addition to blocking histamine, Epinastine also helps stabilize mast cells, reducing the release of inflammatory chemicals responsible for allergic reactions. Because only a very small amount is absorbed into the bloodstream, systemic side effects are uncommon. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Epinastine works by preventing histamine from attaching to H1 receptors in the conjunctiva and surrounding eye tissues. Histamine is the major chemical responsible for allergy symptoms. Step-by-step mechanism. Step 1. Exposure to allergens. Allergens such as pollen, dust mites, mold spores, animal dander, or grass enter the eye. Step 2. Immune response. The immune system recognizes these substances as allergens. Step 3. Mast cell activation. Mast cells in the conjunctiva release histamine and other inflammatory mediators. Step 4. Histamine binds to H1 receptors. Histamine attaches to H1 receptors on blood vessels and sensory nerves. Step 5. Allergic symptoms develop. This causes intense itching, redness, swelling, increased tear production, eye irritation. Step 6. Epinastine blocks H1 receptors. Epinastine competes with histamine for H1 receptor sites. Step 7. Histamine cannot produce symptoms. Blocking the receptors reduces itching, redness, tearing, and swelling. Step 8. Mast cell stabilization. Epinastine also inhibits mast cell degranulation, decreasing further release of histamine and inflammatory mediators. Step 9. Relief of symptoms. The patient experiences relief from allergic eye symptoms, often within minutes, with effects lasting about 12 hours. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. After instillation into the eye, only a very small amount of epinastine enters the bloodstream. Most of the medication acts locally on the surface of the eye. Distribution. Because systemic absorption is minimal, distribution to other organs is very limited. Epinastine poorly crosses the blood-brain barrier, which explains its low risk of causing sedation. Metabolism. Epinastine undergoes little metabolism in the body, allowing much of the absorbed drug to remain unchanged. Elimination. The small absorbed fraction is eliminated mainly by the kidneys in the urine. Half-life. The elimination half-life is approximately 8 to 12 hours, supporting twice-daily administration. Duration of action. Each dose provides relief for about 12 hours, allowing morning and evening dosing. Number 5. Uses. Epinastine is used to prevent and relieve symptoms associated with eye allergies. Common uses. Seasonal allergic conjunctivitis, allergic eye itching, eye redness caused by allergies, watery eyes, irritated eyes due to pollen exposure, dust allergy affecting the eyes, pet allergy causing ocular symptoms, grass and mold allergies involving the eyes. Additional benefits: reduces allergic inflammation, improves comfort during allergy season, helps maintain daily activities by relieving eye discomfort. Number 6. Indications. Epinastine is indicated for prevention of itching associated with allergic conjunctivitis, treatment of seasonal allergic conjunctivitis, patients with recurrent eye allergies, long-term control of seasonal allergy symptoms when used regularly. Healthcare providers may prescribe it for individuals who experience eye allergies triggered by tree pollen, grass pollen, weeds, dust mites, animal dander, mold spores. Number 7. Contraindications. Epinastine should not be used in the following situations. Absolute contraindications. Known hypersensitivity to epinastine, allergy to any component of the eye drop formulation. Relative contraindications. Use only under medical supervision in patients with severe eye infections, corneal ulcers, significant eye trauma, recent ocular surgery, persistent unexplained eye pain. If an allergic reaction occurs after use, discontinue the medication immediately and seek medical care. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Before starting epinastine, inform your healthcare provider about your medical history. Tell your doctor if you have eye infections, glaucoma, recent eye surgery, eye injuries, dry eye syndrome, kidney disease, allergies to medications, pregnancy or breastfeeding. Contact lens users. Remove contact lenses before using the drops. The preservative may be absorbed by soft lenses. Wait at least 10 minutes before reinserting lenses. Avoid wearing lenses while the eyes are red or irritated. Pregnancy. Use only if the expected benefit outweighs the potential risk. Consult your healthcare provider before use. Breastfeeding. It is unknown whether epinastine passes into breast milk in clinically significant amounts after ophthalmic use. Use with medical advice. Pediatric use. Generally approved for children 2 years and older, according to local prescribing information. Elderly patients, no dosage adjustment is usually required. Number 9. How to use. Proper administration ensures effectiveness and minimizes contamination. Instructions. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. Check that the solution is clear. 3. Remove contact lenses. 4. Shake the bottle if instructed. Tilt your head backward. 6. Pull down the lower eyelid to create a small pocket. 7. Hold the bottle above the eye. 8. Instill 1 drop into the affected eye. 9. Avoid touching the dropper tip to the eye or any surface. 10. Close the eye gently for 1 to 2 minutes. 11. Press lightly on the inner corner of the eye near the nose to reduce systemic absorption. 12. Replace the cap tightly after use. 13. If using more than one eye medication, wait 5 to 10 minutes between drops. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, 1 drop in each affected eye twice daily, approximately every 12 hours. Children, 2 years and older, 1 drop in each affected eye twice daily as directed. Elderly, standard adult dosage is usually appropriate. Duration of therapy. Continue treatment throughout the allergy season or as recommended by the healthcare provider. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Instill the missed dose as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for the next scheduled dose, skip the missed dose. Resume your regular dosing schedule. Do not use extra drops to make up for a missed dose. Overdose. Overdose is uncommon because only small amounts are absorbed. Hashmash. Possible symptoms. Eye irritation, excessive tearing, burning sensation, temporary blurred vision, eye discomfort. If the solution is accidentally swallowed, especially by a child, contact a healthcare provider or poison center promptly. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop using epinastine and seek medical attention if you experience severe eye pain, sudden vision changes, persistent redness or swelling, signs of an eye infection, pus, increasing pain, light sensitivity, rash, hives, facial swelling, or difficulty breathing, possible severe allergic reaction. Avoid sharing eye drops with others, using the drops after the expiration date, touching the dropper tip to prevent contamination. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects. These are usually mild and temporary. Mild burning or stinging after installation, eye irritation, dry eyes, red eyes, watery eyes, headache, bitter taste after application, foreign body sensation. Less common side effects. Blurred vision, increased tearing, eyelid irritation, nasal congestion, mild eye discomfort. Rare but serious side effects. Severe allergic reaction, anaphylaxis, swelling of the face or throat, difficulty breathing, severe eye pain, persistent vision changes, eye infection. Seek immediate medical attention if serious side effects occur. Number 14. Vital information. Patients should know the following. Epinastine is for ophthalmic, eye use only. Do not swallow or inject the medication. Use the drops regularly during allergy season for the best preventive effect. Maintain proper hygiene when applying eye drops. Keep the bottle tightly closed when not in use. Store at room temperature. away from excessive heat and direct sunlight. Do not use the solution if it changes color or becomes cloudy. Discard the bottle according to the manufacturer's recommendations after opening. Number 15. Other drugs will affect. Because systemic absorption is minimal, significant drug interactions are uncommon. However, inform your healthcare provider if you use other prescription eye drops, over-the-counter eye medications, artificial tears, ophthalmic corticosteroids, ophthalmic antibiotics, allergy medications, herbal supplements, or vitamins. Examples include olopatadine, ketotifen, azolastine, prednisolone eye drops. Separate different ophthalmic medications by at least 5 to 10 minutes. Number 16. Drug comparison. Epinastine versus olopatadine. Both are second-generation antihistamine eye drops with mast cell stabilizing properties. Epinastine is typically dosed twice daily, whereas some olopatadine formulations allow once daily use. Epinastine versus ketotifen. Both relieve allergic conjunctivitis symptoms. Ketotifen is available over the counter in many countries, while epinastine is often prescription only. Both have a favorable safety profile and low risk of sedation. Epinastine versus azolastine. Epinastine is primarily indicated for allergic conjunctivitis. Azolastine is available as both eye drops and nasal spray, making it suitable for patients with both eye and nasal allergy symptoms. Number 17. Patient teaching. Educate patients to use the medication exactly as prescribed, even if symptoms improve. Wash hands before and after using the eye drops. Remove contact lenses before installation and wait at least 10 minutes before reinserting them. Avoid touching the dropper tip to the eye, fingers, or other surfaces. If using multiple eye medications, wait 5 to 10 minutes between each product. Continue treatment throughout the allergy season if recommended. Do not share eye drops with anyone else. Store the medication at room temperature and keep the bottle tightly closed. Discard the bottle if it becomes contaminated, cloudy, or reaches its expiration date. Seek medical attention immediately if severe eye pain, worsening redness, vision changes, or signs of a serious allergic reaction develop. Attend follow-up appointments if symptoms persist or recur despite treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.